it's Tree from Tree Essentials, and I wanted to just come in and say it is the beginning of the new year. Technically it's in March, but whatever. But with that being said, you can start new things and get new goals achieved by marking down and putting progress on a day-by-day basis. If you were to do 1% every single day, that becomes 365% of growth and progress over a whole year. That means 3 times over. With that being said, go ahead, love on yourself, and do those things, because as you do that, you will start seeing new dreams appear right before your eyes. You will start seeing new things appear in your format, and you can replace old habits as well. I see a lot of people in the gym starting at the beginning of the year, but keep the progress. Take days to honor yourself in reflection. Today is Martin Luther King, so I'm not gonna go today, but that does not mean I am not gonna not tackle and bring peace and loving kindness to myself on days when I take rest. With that being said, go ahead, love on you. And on your love on you, that means knocking out those goals that you have been seeing for yourself for a while. You are also worthy and deserving to have the things achieved that you want. And if you think there are things that you need to do different, you have the time now to actually learn new habits and learn new goals and knock things out. This is going to contribute to your hair growth dramatically, because you are putting a sense of pride, love, not pride, but growth in your hair is growing. You are putting a sense of motivation that brings in happy emotions, hormones, and things of that nature. You are key to the growth that you seek, meaning put in the time and effort to get the things done that you want to see done. I know that everything doesn't happen all at once, but that doesn't mean you can't do things bit by bit and see big reactions over time and change. With that, know that you are not only uplifting yourself, but you are uplifting those around you, because they can see that they can do these things for themselves as well, and it becomes a beautiful ripple effect, not just of hair growth, but as well just overall change in our communities and homes and situations. So with that, what are you gonna reflect on? He said, I have a dream. What is your dream? Your dream can be reality as you dive in and find time to actually hone in into those gifts. So love yourself, be kind to you, practice patience, because everything does not happen all at one time. And last but not least, love yourself. That love is going to exude into beautiful ways to bring beautiful change, and you will start seeing miraculous things just appear right before your eyes, because you are focusing in on yourself. And with that being said, I am Tree from Tree Essentials. We have the ability to plant seeds, inspire others, and inspire change, and we are restoring our trees to grow essentially. And yes, our trees are our hair. We are like a plant. I am a wellness consultant, health educator, and as well an advanced natural hair consultant. So I can really get you in on your journey, not just with your hair, but your overall lifestyle. So don't forget to join that community as well. You can click the link below and see these things just transform right before your eyes with guidance and help with resources. With that being said, I look forward to seeing you soon, and you have a great day and or night whenever you're watching this. Have a good one.